Hi friends, in this video, I would like to share about the different types of passive income that you can create as a student. Before we start the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for exciting future videos by us. According to the federal government of the United States, there are over 45 million students, owing more than $1.56 trillion in college student loans. I firmly believe that earning an additional income can help improve your school life as a student, and allow you to live more comfortably. Many of the guides that you find online only provide advice on how to generate multiple earning streams, which are not designed for students. They are instead focusing fundamentally on demographics of people who already make full-time incomes from their 9-to-5 job. There are many ways which you can make passive income and work on something that you are truly passionate about. 1. Blogging. Blogging has become a trendy way for students to make passive income by sharing knowledge and opinions that they are excited about. With the proper research, you can build up followers by focusing on the right niche and creating excellent content regularly, monetize your blog, and generate passive income. Don't expect to earn any passive income overnight. You must be prepared to put in a lot of work or outsource tasks to make this project passive slowly. 2. Sell courses. You can generate passive income by teaching other people, on platforms like Udemy, if you are skilled at something. There are lots of profitable niches in the markets that are in demand, where you can share and monetize your experiences. Udemy has made it very simple for anyone to plan, create, and sell high-quality courses to anyone on their platform. Although this requires you to put in upfront work, once the course materials are completed, you can generate a small amount of monthly money for many months, without putting in any effort to maintain it. 3. Print-on-demand stores. This is a very attractive business model for students to sell products through a third-party, print-on-demand manufacturer, without having to handle the whole process of shipping the products to your customer. You can leverage on Google Trends to research print-on-demand products that your targeted audiences are searching on Google. Popular items include designer t-shirts, wall art print, and coffee mugs. 4. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is another method of creating a profitable income stream as a student. Building your channel is not an effortless task. You must create high-quality content that is in high demand to catch the attention of your targeted audience. The content can either be something you are knowledgeable or passionate about. To qualify for monetization of your content, YouTube requires its content creators to have at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and complete the review process. Summary and key lessons. It will be the best decision you ever made in your life to begin diversifying your income as a student, instead of waiting till the start of your 9-to-5 job. You will see the magic of compound effect, as it can assist you in the exponential growth of your wealth. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for interesting future video releases by us. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and I will reply to it.